Hey, what's up, Wolfpack? I was wanting to record a short video. I've been working on this for literally weeks. It shouldn't have taken me this long, but I haven't really dove into lead generated yet because I've been using Local Viking, which does some of the same things. Um, like for example, I have reoccurring posts to my GMB set up. I have a new post set up for every day, and it spins the content. I geotag them, all that and everything. But what I wanted to do, um, I've been trying to use if this then that. I used to could do it. I spelled that wrong. I used to could do it using this, but it quit working. Couldn't get it to work. But I figured out how to do it on Zapier. Basically, what's really cool about Local Viking is it gives you an RSS feed, and anytime you post a new post to your GMB, which mine are automatic, I've got them all set up. It updates the RSS feed. So with Zapier, I'm able to trigger a new post to my RSS feed. And in doing so, it posts to my Facebook page. The tricky part was the photo needs to say raw content URL. I tried to put in, this one says image, that one doesn't work. I've tried a bunch of them. Anyway, it's raw content URL. And so whenever a new post is posted to my see if it'll load. Whenever I have a new post, it automatically shares it on my business Facebook page. So if anybody wants any more information, I can help you out.